Welcome to this tutorial on managing your band app settings. If you find videos autoplaying in your feed, distracting or data consuming, you can easily disable this feature. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn off video autoplay in the band app. First, open the band app on your phone. Next, look at the top right and tap on the profile icon. Then, at the bottom right, tap on small settings icon. Then, within the Settings menu, find and select the Photo and Video option. Finally, in the Photo and Video settings, look for the Autoplay option. Tap on it and choose Autoplay off to disable the Autoplay feature. Once selected, the change will take effect immediately and videos will no longer play automatically as you scroll through your feed. Disabling autoplay ensures a more controlled and personalized experience while using the app. Remember to revisit these settings if you wish to make further adjustments in the future.